Immobiliser fitting is a brand new Hyundai Ioniq 5 Protective Halo Mini Total Kill System. So this is a push sequence immobiliser. If the thief copied the key, went to steal the vehicle, they're not going to be able to drive it away without putting a unique code in. As you see, you put it in reverse, go straight back into park. So what the customer's got to do, pop their code in, receive a flash from the indicators, now it will go into gear and we can drive off. When they leave the vehicle, the system becomes active, and this being the total kill system comes with tracking so they can locate the vehicle. And also, if someone had the code, knew the code and drove the vehicle away, obviously they'd be able to drive it because they know the code. They're not bringing it back. You can send a total kill through the app. So if we go into here, click on set, we'll scroll through, cut off the vehicle, type in the customer's password. Now the command's been successful, whether it's in service mode, it's at the dealer and it's been stolen, or someone's got the code and they're not bringing the vehicle back, it's no longer going to accept it. As you see, it's not going into gear. We'll try the code again. No flash, it's not going to go into gear. We've totally killed the vehicle. So if anyone's got the code or it's been stolen in service mode, they're not going to be able to drive it. The only way to get it back is to recover it within the app, type in the password. Command successful. So now if we try, we get our flash, we can drive off. This is the Halo Mini Total Kill System push sequence immobiliser. Also you can lock out, totally kill the system, track the vehicle, has a service mode. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.